In this video, I tell you benefits of green tea. Number 1. Gives you healthy skin. By drinking green tea with honey will easily get out the toxins from the body and replacing it with healthy minerals and vitamins. Green tea with honey are rich in antioxidants that provide a lot of help for new skin cells. If you want to get healthy skin, then drink green tea with honey early in the morning. Number 2 is good for bone health. If you drink green tea with lemon or honey, then your bones become stronger. Almost, especially in women, the bone diseases are common. So drink green tea regularly to get rid of bone diseases. Number 3 is improves brain function. Green tea with lemon and honey is very useful for brain because it will boost the brain function. Drink green tea daily in an empty stomach for better result. Number 4 is helps in hair growth. Green tea promotes the hair growth and helps to stop hair fall. If you drink green tea with honey, then your hair becomes shinier. If you want to get long and shiny hair, then drink green tea with honey daily in the morning. Number 5 for weight loss. Now weight is common problem. If you want to lose weight, then drink green tea with lemon and honey in an empty stomach. How to make green tea with lemon and honey? Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of honey, few drops of lemon juice and 1 tea bag or tablespoon of green tea. Method: boil water and add green tea in it. Let it rest for 2 minutes. Add lemon juice and honey in it and stir it completely.